Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you guys this battery powered wireless pruner. Alright, here we go. This is compatible with DeWalt 20 volt and Flexvolt batteries. This pruner is super easy to use. To turn this on, hold on the on button. Over here we have a LCD display with a counter and a battery meter, which is very helpful. To activate this pruner, double press the trigger. This tool has 4 different modes. This is mode 1, 2, now 3, and 4. To turn this off, hold the trigger button and hold the power button. This pruner is fast and efficient.